Welcome into Selenium tutorial. In this tutorial, we will verify the text by using Selenium. For example, if we click on this, we get a list and we need to verify the list text in Selenium. So let's begin. First, we will go to this URL and click on this for getting the list. Driver dot get string. Here we enter the URL. Now we need to click on this Selenium drop down and then we will get the list. We can locate this element by link text and XPath. Right click on this element and click on inspect. Now right click and copy the XPath. Web element Selenium is equal to driver dot find element by dot XPath. Now after enter the XPath, we need to click on this Selenium drop down. Selenium dot we want to click on this element, so we will use dot click. After click on this drop down, we need to verify the text in this list. Here multiple lists are available. We will verify this login text. So right click on this. We can locate this element by link text, which is login. Web element text is equal to driver dot find element by dot link text, and link text is login. After locate this element, we need to get this text string get. Get is a variable and we want to get the text of login text. Text dot get text. Now we need to verify this login text. We will add some condition string expected, and our expected text is login. Expected is equal to login. Let's add some condition here. If our driver.getText is equal to expected text, which is login, then test case is pass. If expected dot equals dot equal get system onto present text is login. Let's run this script. In this tutorial, we verify the login text which is in drop down. Chrome driver is opening. Click on this Selenium and verify the text login. Here text is login successfully printed in console. If we change something in our expected text, here we can add the else condition. Text is not logging. In this case, text is not login will be print in console because our expected text is not equal to driver get text. Let's run this script. Chrome driver is opening. First, it will navigate to this URL and click on this Selenium drop-down. Text is not login because our expected text is login. This line is used for go to the URL, locate the Selenium, find the element by expert, and then we click on this Selenium drop down. Click on element, then we get the text. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.